Comic-Con Cape Town 2024. Welcome to the vlog, guys. Unfortunately, this year I'm not a vendor. I was only there on day one. And yeah, I just wanted to experience it. And mainly I just came to support my friends and to meet Chris from Studio Kronk, one of my idols. Big fan. Almost there.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So starting with the main floor, this is where all the action's happening. I tried my best to come after the rush, but it was still quite busy, so I came after lunchtime. But yeah, there was quite a lot of stuff on display this year. Your regular like manga books, posters, all your different pop culture type of stuff. A lot of these figurines was there as usual. I believe that is the same stand as the last year. And yeah, it was pretty packed. The main stage, I wasn't really interested in that personally. But yeah, I believe there was quite a lot of interesting guests this year. And yeah, tabletop games as usual. When I was younger, I enjoyed this part of cons. Don't mind my little dancey dance. There's quite a few fun activations. I didn't really try this one out, but it was a mobile fighting game. It was really cool. But yeah, and then we get to the main area, and the main reason I came is to support some of my friends in Arts Alley. There's a lot of really talented artists this year. I think there was a little bit more art stalls this year. It seemed like it. But yeah, enjoy the little montage I did of some of my friends in Arts Alley.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Like I said, we came after lunch, but I gotta eat something, so we grabbed something to eat on the outside area. Just pretty nice, quite a lot of people here. But yeah, we just grabbed some burgers, and yeah, I was thinking about doing like a shoot of like a mukbang type thing. It's like, nope, I'm not about that life. But yeah, on to the next.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever try.
Ooh, hello there. Focus. We came here to support my friends and check out the gaming. But yeah, so we went upstairs, which is where the gaming section is, and yeah, it wasn't what I really expected. I didn't really get to try out quite a few stuff because it was quite full, especially like the sections where the gaming was. But when you come in, on your left hand side there was a cool like Street Fighter Kumite tournament happening. I really suck at fighting games, but it's really fun to watch. But yeah, it was really cool. And then on the right on that they had some like PlayStation 5s where you could play with. We wanted to try and do that, but it was quite full. And then Fazlin wanted to try the Oculus out, and I took a quick video with my amazing video editing skills and just added some visual effects.
Ready? Go!
You got a lot of energy. Yeah, and that was pretty much our experience at Comic-Con 2024. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like what you saw, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will definitely be there next year as a vendor, so I hope to see you guys there. And here's a little walkthrough of some of the Artist Alley videos footage that I took that I didn't really share. Thanks again, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.
goes till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on